What is it? 10:40 something something. Remember this, Deluge? I remember this. I'm gonna make a sharp left.
Take a break here for a few minutes. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
10:44, did you say?
There's some grass, Deluge. Oh, here. Roger and coffee. I couldn't think of the two.
1964.
That would work.
And 1964.
I actually could remember that better, right? What is in Andes? What do my hands smell like? Where are you going? This is funny. Andes was like smelling. Andes? He like smelled and got like saliva all over my hand.
Ah.
It was
Hey,
sweet.
you haven't seen my yellow gloves, have you? Somewhere? So I used to have a two-pair. I used to have like kind of like a grayish one, leather, and a yellow leather.
I want to say the yellow ones are in the truck,
In the truck?
but I could be wrong. Yeah, I think in the back of the truck at the bottom.
Have you two been down Red Canyon or on Red Canyon?
Yeah.
You know what it is?
Yeah,